Let's sing the days, come sing with me. There are 7 as you'll see. One by one we'll clap and play. Learn the days the fun-filled way. Sunday comes, the sun shines bright. Family fun feels just right. Picnics, games, and laughter too. Sunday smiles for me and you.
Monday's here, it's time for school. We learn and play and follow the rules. Books and crayons start the week. New adventures every peak.
Tuesdays next, we sing and draw. We count our numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. A happy day so bright and neat. Learning makes our day complete.
It's Wednesday now, we're halfway there. We work and play and show we care.
Half the week has come and gone. Keep on smiling, moving on. Thursday's fun, the week's in swing. We dance and laugh, the bells all ring. Stories, songs, and art we make. Oh, what fun for learning's sake.
Friday's here,
Hip, hip, hooray!
the weekend's only one sleep away. We finish tasks, we jump and cheer.
Friday's our favorite day, so dear.
Saturday's here, no rush today. We play and rest and sing and sway.
Pajamas, pancakes, giggles too. Happy weekend, me and you. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday too. Wednesday, Thursday, just for you. Friday, Saturday, then repeat. 7 days make life so sweet. Let's clap our hands and sing again, so the days stick in your brain.